When the vehicle travels at a range of 65 to 180 km per hour, Lane Keep Assist can identify lane lines, pedestrians, kerbsides, front and rear vehicles through windscreen cameras, front radar and rear radars on both sides, and measure the distance to the left and right lane lines. Tap the vehicle icon on the center display, selecting Driving Assistance. Turn on Lane Assist. Adjust lane departure warning. Select Off, Vibration or Beep. Lane Keep Assist consists of 3 subsystems. Lane departure warning. While driving, if the vehicle starts to veer off and the system detects it is about to cross the lane lines will turn yellow and the A-pillar ambient light on the deviating side will flash red. Lane departure warning will alert you by vibrating the steering wheel or sending audible signals. Lane departure prevention. If the vehicle starts to veer off and the system detects it is deviating from the current lane line, the lane lines will turn blue and the A-pillar ambient light on the deviating side will flash blue. Lane departure prevention will request that you return the vehicle to the current lane. Emergency Lane Keep Assist. While driving, if the system detects that the vehicle is in danger of front or rear collision with a vehicle in the adjacent lane or collision with the curbs, Emergency Lane Keep Assist will actively control the steering system to help the vehicle return to the current lane. When Emergency Lane Keep Assist is active, the driver must always hold the steering wheel with both hands. If the system does not detect that both hands are on the steering wheel, a warning message will pop up on the driver information display and the A-pillar ambient lights on both sides will flash red, accompanied by an audible alarm until the driver takes over the vehicle. Then the alarm will cease. In the following cases, Lane Keep Assist may be restricted or unavailable. Lane Keep Assist is only an aid. The driver must always remain alert and rely on their own judgment to make sure they drive safely.